Hello everyone and welcome to Pinoy Tech Tips. Every time you browse the web, websites can collect information about you, track your activity, or even try to redirect you to unsafe pages. The good news is that your Samsung Galaxy S26 includes several built-in privacy features that can help make your browsing more secure without requiring any additional apps. In this video, I'll show you the Internet privacy protection settings you should configure to block trackers, reduce unwanted redirects, prevent malicious websites and downloads, and make your overall browsing experience safer. Let's get started. To begin, swipe up from the bottom of the home screen to open the Apps screen, then tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. This menu contains many of your Galaxy S26's built-in security and privacy features that help protect both your device and your personal information. Scroll down to the Privacy section, then tap Internet Privacy Protection. At the top of the screen, you'll see how many web trackers have been detected and blocked while browsing. Below that are several privacy features that you can customize to better protect yourself online. Let's start with Smart Anti-Tracking. Tap Smart Anti-Tracking. This feature limits how websites and advertisers track your browsing activity across different websites. You'll see 3 protection levels: Off, Standard, and Strict. If you choose Off, Samsung Browser allows trackers that comply with web standards while continuing to block trackers that violate those standards. Choosing Standard provides the best balance for most users. It blocks unnecessary tracking while allowing trackers that some websites require to function properly. If privacy is your highest priority, choose Strict. This blocks virtually all tracking attempts, giving advertisers very little information about your browsing habits. Keep in mind that some websites may not function properly because certain tracking technologies are also used for website features. While you're here, you'll also find Automatic Verification. Turn this feature on. Supported websites can verify that you're a real person without repeatedly showing CAPTCHA challenges. Besides making browsing more convenient, it also helps reduce the amount of tracking data collected during those verification processes. Once you've finished, return to the main Internet Privacy Protection menu. Next, let's enable Block Backward Redirections. Tap the option, then turn on the switch. Some websites try to redirect you to a completely different page after you press the back button. This feature blocks those unwanted redirects, so you return to the page you actually intended to visit. If Samsung Browser blocks any redirects, they'll be listed on this screen for your reference. Another setting worth enabling is Block Pop-ups. Turn on the switch. This prevents websites from opening unwanted pop-up windows and additional browser tabs, helping reduce distractions and lowering the risk of malicious advertisements. If there's a website you trust that legitimately uses pop-ups, tap the 3-dot menu in the upper right corner, then select Manage Websites. From there, you can add exceptions by allowing pop-ups only for websites you trust. Next is Block Apps from Opening Browser. Tap this option. Some apps automatically launch Samsung Browser whenever you tap certain links. If you'd rather stay inside the app or limit which apps can open your browser automatically, simply enable the switch beside the apps you want to block. Then follow the remaining on-screen instructions to save your changes. Now let's improve protection against unsafe websites. Return to the previous menu and turn on Warn About Malicious Sites. With this enabled, Samsung Browser checks websites against known security threats and displays a warning before opening pages that may contain phishing scams, malware, or other harmful content. This is one of the easiest ways to avoid accidentally visiting dangerous websites. Another useful privacy feature is Block Opening External Apps. Turn on the switch. Normally, certain links can automatically launch other apps installed on your phone. When this feature is enabled, those links remain inside Samsung Browser instead, giving you greater control over where links are opened and reducing unnecessary app switching. Next, enable Switch to Secure Connection, also known as HTTPS. Turn on the switch. Whenever possible, Samsung Browser automatically redirects you to the encrypted HTTPS version of a website instead of the older, less secure HTTP version. Encrypted connections help protect your personal information from being intercepted while you're browsing, especially when using public Wi-Fi networks. If you ever experience unexpected browsing issues after changing these privacy settings, Samsung gives you a simple way to start over. Tap Reset Privacy Settings. Review the confirmation message, then tap Reset. This restores all internet privacy protection settings back to their default values. Don't worry, your browsing history, cookies, and saved website data won't be deleted during the reset. Hopefully, you won't need to reset these settings very often, but it's good to know the option is available if you ever need it. And that's all there is to this guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Pinoy Tech Tips for more Samsung Galaxy S26 tips, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.